Oh my goodness. Busy day one. But I took care of business, y'all. I ain't gonna sit here and act like I was nervous and all that good stuff. But I got through it. So now I can sit here and fly in peace and look at this beautiful sky like I'm doing. And just pause and relax and get ready for day two. I'm so glad that was over. Goodness gracious. But it needed to be done. So let me just pause and relax. I hope y'all having a beautiful day like I am. Today was definitely a good day. I should have used the ND filter, but I wasn't thinking. I was just excited to get through day one. So, but make sure y'all hit the like button and subscribe. Alright? Let me know what y'all think. And I'm out.